Central bank digital currency has the potential to replace physical cash in some circumstances, but it is unlikely to completely replace cash anytime soon. CBDC is a digital form of fiat money that is issued and backed by a central bank. Unlike cryptocurrencies, CBDCs are centralized and have the same legal status as physical currency. CBDCs have several advantages over physical cash, including faster transaction times, lower costs, and increased transparency. They can also potentially improve financial inclusion by providing access to banking services for people who are currently unbanked or underbanked. However, there are also some challenges associated with CBDCs, such as the need for robust cybersecurity measures and the potential impact on monetary policy. Additionally, there may be some reluctance among the public to fully adopt CBDCs, particularly among those who prefer the anonymity and privacy of cash transactions. Therefore, it is more likely that CBDCs will coexist with physical cash for the foreseeable future, with each being used in different contexts and for different purposes.